This is a 1928 Hispano-Suiza H6C, one of the most important luxury automobiles ever built.
We found her abandoned in a collapsed storage barn, Pezd. Decades of neglect, but underneath all of that, she is still.
Decades of neglect. Look at this.
All right. This is it. No turning back now.
Back it up nice and slow. Stop. A little more to the left. Stop. Right there. Bring down the ramps. Okay, let's roll it off carefully.
This one's seen better days, but the symmetry's still there. The corrosion is heavy, but we can bring it back. Wow, look at that. It's magnificent. So much work to do.
The crust here shows significant buildup. We'll need to use a specialized solvent to break through this without damaging the underlying metal.
This is the right front fender from the 1928 Hispano-Suiza H6C. You can see the original cream paint is
All right, left side.
Same process, but this one's seen a lot more action.
All right, let's get this grill off carefully. The bottom two first. Got the left one, move to the right, slow and steady. There, almost free. Hold it. Got it. All right, this one is pretty seized. Got to be patient, don't want to snap it. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Heavy piece, careful. Looks good.
The chassis is solid. I think we can save these panels too. Just need to assess the structural integrity.
All right, come on, you old thing. Let's see if we can get you out without breaking anything.
Yeah.
That's it. Careful now. There we go. Got it.
The leather is severely deteriorated, the horsehair and padding exposed, the base fabric is gone, and the frames show rust. Decades of neglect. We'll start with the trim, see what's underneath.
All right, hooks are secure. Let's start the lift. Take it slow. All right, let's hit this with some of the good stuff. Yeah, see that? That's coming off nice now. Look at that black paint underneath. The wash reveals the true extent of the corrosion here.
Yeah.
And this paint requires complete removal.
Yeah.
The panels are solid though.
Right.
Time to get to work.
Getting right in there with the foam. Let's see what we can do with this rust. All right, focusing on the firewall now. Look at that grime coming off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really revealing the original black paint. Watch the battery tray area. The rust is pretty bad there.
The last clean water rinse is just finishing up. Look at that reflection. You can see the distinct boundary here between the original cream ivory paint and the fully sanded bare metal. Notice the fine sanding stroke.
Keep it flat, don't press too hard. You can see the lows now. That spot there still needs work.
This 600 grit wet sand is crucial. Keeps the surface flat, perfect for the next coat. With 2 full coats applied, the 1928 Hispano-Suiza H6C now shows its true potential in this warm cream ivory.
The color code on the right front fender. We're looking across the surface of the 1928 Hispano-Suiza H6C in final gloss clear coat.
Perfect. Just right.
The spokes have decades of grime, but this SK polish cuts right through. Watch the chrome come alive. And that, my friend, is a perfect fit. Nothing but the best for this beautiful machine. All right, time to tackle this deep cleaning. This degreaser should start lifting that baked-on grime immediately. Looks like it's doing its job already. The foam is thickening up nicely.
Decades of grime, gone. Beautiful. Looks perfect, Chief. Just how she should be.
You're trying to create a perfect seal with the valve seat. It's a gentle grinding motion. The compound works to even out the surface, and that's how we resurface the valves.
You can see the chatter marks disappear as the tool bites into the old metal, cleaning it up perfectly.
Hold it there, a little to the right. Okay, I've got it, slow and steady. Perfect. Set it down. Line it up carefully. New gaskets, just how I like them. Slow and steady on the cross pattern. That's solid.
Almost there. Keep it steady. Just a little more. All right, looking good. Temperature is climbing steady. System's clear of air now. Perfect. She's running like new.
The completed chassis now features a fresh coat of period-appropriate semi-gloss black paint. The structure is reinforced with new protective rubber coatings.
The restoration completely transformed it. You can see the original mahogany now. The finish was completely gone. Look at that grain, gorgeous. Just a bit more smoothing to go.
This amber grease ensures the pivot works freely, just as it did when it left the factory.
All right, easy does it. Just a touch more forward. Perfect, that's it. Keep the tension even. Center first, then work your way out. All right, bring it in. Watch the corner. Perfect, hold it right there. Keep it steady. Down just a fraction. Good, perfect. That's a textbook fit.
All right, here she comes. Perfect. Welcome home.
After countless hours, the Esque Restoration Hispano-Suiza stands fully restored. Perfection. If you made it to the end of this restoration, this is why we do this work. The Hispano-Suiza H6C is alive again, exactly as she should be. We have more legends waiting in the workshop, of cars with stories that deserve to be told. Hit the notification, never miss the next one.